Appreciate it. Thanks, sir.
Quick! You're good, you're good, you're good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You had it, dog. Oh.
Getting pissed off now.
Oh. You get you?
Get it.
Gotta do my good deed for the day. I noticed this when I was coming up the canyon, and I thought that's very dangerous because there's so many motorcycles out right now. See? That's a big freaking rock! You definitely don't want to hit that thing.
Oh my god, poor little turtle! Poor little turtle! I will help you, you little turtle. Save the turtle! Go, turtle, go! Yeah! Ah! Thank goodness he didn't pee on me. There you go, turtle. Yeah, there you go, turtle. Turtle, 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 turtle. Oh, he's safe now.
No problem. I don't want you to have an engine light come on, that's what it'll say. So, you're good to go.
Did you guys know it's been scientifically proven? If I show you magical bubbles, you'll instantly smile? Can I try?
Yeah, let's do it.
Nice, nice. I'm just having fun. Thanks for being a good sport though. Alright guys, have a good day. It's day 5. They haven't noticed me yet. They too, for some reason, believe I'm a cop. I can't do it.
You need help?
Yeah, my husband's coming. I'm 2 blocks away. My car just happened to die at the stoplight.
Oh, okay. You want me to push you off over here just so you're out of the traffic?
If you don't mind, I've never done this before. So
Yeah, that's fine.
Put it in neutral?
Yeah, put it in neutral and you can just use the brakes to stop yourself if you need, okay?
I appreciate this thing.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Is there a good parking spot maybe?
I'll just wait right here because it's hard. The wheel is locking up on me now, and then all of a sudden, look at us.
Okay, is it good now?
You are like a saint. Thank you. I'm
Yeah.
gonna see if I can get home and then get to the mechanics later.
All right, cool, no problem.
Thank you.
Okay, I got a bit of a predicament here. It's coming around the corner here, around the bend, and this dog was right on the corner on the grass. Obviously, look at you. You're so sweet. Hey, look at you. Where's your home? Hey, where's your home? So he might be from that house or this house, but he's just a pup. Look at your big paws. Hey, look at your big paws. Yeah, we gotta find your home. Come on, come on, come on. Are you from up here? Come on, let's go this way then. East, I think. He seems to know where he's going, but he's just a pup. Excuse me. Excuse me. Do you know who belongs to this? Is he yours?
Yeah.
Oh.
Where was he?
He was on the corner there.
Oh my god, thanks so much. Thanks, man.
Hey, no problem.
Appreciate it a lot.
No problem. Yeah, he looked like he was just kind of lost, just sitting on the corner there, so.
Yeah, he was. I don't even know how he got out. Thanks, man. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, no worries.
Hey, how's it going? I'm giving out gift cards for Boss's Day, and you're the coolest boss. Yeah, it's coming up, so that's for you.
Thank you.
Not a problem. You're amazing. See ya.
Surprised the hell out of me.
Not a problem. You're a cool guy. It's worth it. He was like, that surprised me. Yeah, it did. Like, I'm feeling great now. Woo, 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 woo.
Hello there. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I'm actually not going to order anything. I was just wondering if I could talk to a manager.
Sure.
Alrighty. Hi, you the manager? Happy Boss's Day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I hope you have a great day. Good. I was wondering if I could talk to the manager.
That's what you mean? Can I help you?
Happy Boss's Day.
Oh, thank you.
Not a problem. I hope you have a good day.
You do as well. Thank you.
Hi, so I actually didn't order anything. I just want to talk to a manager real quick. This is for you. Happy Boss's Day.
Oh,
Have a great day.
And maybe they would like something to snack on that's healthy. I can go get them something to, eat while we're out there. I'm at the gas station, so hopefully I can do that and get them something, something cool to just drink or eat. So that'd be nice. All right, so let's see. Let's get them barbecue, I guess. So we're gonna go ahead and give them to the people right here that are on the corner. I like to try to do good things. Hey, I don't carry cash, man, but I did get you guys some chips or something just to snack on. Do you like barbecue? Yeah. Sweet, man. I got 2 bags. I saw your girlfriend or wife over there, man. I hope you have a good day. Okay. You have a good day. Yeah, that guy was truly homeless.
I'm not doing nothing today. She looks like she's probably got a flat tire. Women usually aren't the most comfortable dealing with that stuff, and even if so, like, someone else there to give a hand. Hey! Alright, so it's been like almost 10 minutes. So if that woman is still here, she probably needs help. May I give you a hand?
Yes, please. I don't know how to use this jerk.
I'll show you.
I got rid of it already. I jumped on it till I loosened it. I'm telling you.
No worries. So.
Funny, my daughter drives one of those.
Oh yeah?
600.
Nice.
So how do you use that?
So it should just go on the ground right here, and this will go under it, and as it goes, it'll extend, it'll kind of go all.
So. What does it hook up to?
It should be a little spot right here.
Okay. Oh, it goes standing up.
Uh-huh.
See, I would have never gotten it.
How's it going?
I used to ride with the groups when they used to meet at the Dairy Queens on the Zarzamora.
Uh-huh.
Thank you.
No problem.
My dad, a mechanic.
Nice.
He told me, don't wait around for anybody, do it yourself.
Hey, you were doing it. You almost had it.
Hey, you know your back tire here is like crooked, really bad.
Yeah, I've taken it to the thing and they won't fix it, so I don't know.
Did they say what's wrong with it?
No, they didn't even mention anything.
Yeah, because that's all the rest of yours. I was looking at you. All the rest of your stuff's fine. That one's, I don't know if they tightened it too much, like on the top as opposed to the bottom, but I would take it in because that's gonna make those tires wear so bad.
Okay.
And then at a high speed, if you're going like 80 miles an hour, that could actually come loose and make you lose control.
Okay.
So just a heads up. So,
Thank you so
yep,
much.
no problem.